Hey everybody, it's Professor Williams, and we're going to look at calculating a weighted mean using the Minitab app. Alright, so here I am in Minitab, and I've labeled my variables. I have the number of dog beds that were sold, the number of days we sold that quantity of dog beds, and then I have the weighted mean. And you'll notice that I labeled C3 weighted mean because the calculator always wants to know where you want your output stored. So I'm going to come up to the Calc menu, go to Calculator, and we'll just pretend like I haven't already done this once. So it wants to know where do you want where do you want your results stored, and I say weighted mean. I got that to move from over here in the column into that box by simply double clicking it. And now I know that the formula is to take dog beds times days sold, multiply all of those products, sum those together, and then divide them by total weights. And remember, total weights is simply the number of occurrences, so those are going to be my days sold. I can, if I want to, come down here and pull the sum function, and what I know is that the sum is going to be dog beds times days sold divided by the sum of days sold. And in order to get the variable to pop into my formula, I just double click right here. So whenever you double click on a cell or a column reference, it'll automatically jump over to your dialog box. So I've got my formula set up right. I just need to scroll down and say OK. And Minitab puts it where I asked it to, which is under weighted mean. And we know our weighted average is 2.89 and some change. Didn't take long, but I certainly hope it helps, and have a great day.